My name's Chris Martinez. Just won first place for Old Guys on Dirt, Best Freestyle. Also got first place for my Interceptor, but my kid's scooting around on it somewhere, for Best BMX. And a lot of hard work on this bike, and I think I'm just grateful it paid off. The original GT pegs, front and rears, the frame standers, the rear frame standers, Generation 3 gyro, OG AME grips, Tech 77 levers, Odyssey 2000 brake sets, and it's never been ridden. This thing is cherry. It was rebuilt from the ground up.
Nice. And it's for sale too?
It is for sale. Anyone interested, you can find me on the BMX Museum. I am Philly Repo Man.
Right. You want to tell how much you're selling it for?
$750 firm. This is my GT Interceptor. This was refurbished from the ground up. Tough Wheel 2 mags on it. Odyssey pedals, Odyssey levers, AME grips, GT cranks. Clean bike. My son rides it every day. Loves this thing.